Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2021 Mazda CX-9 here, and I'm going to show you how and where you hook up your OBD2 adapter for doing diagnostic on this vehicle. So first we open up our driver door, and we come right down here, and that is the OBD2 port right here. So you take your diagnostic tool adapter, and then you're able to plug it up in there where you can now be able to read codes on your vehicle. For this to work, for it to read codes, of course you'll need your vehicle in the run position with the engine not running to be able to check the codes. So that's where you find your OBD2 port, right here, literally right here in the hood release, and that's the OBD2 port on this Mazda CX-9. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.